Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, once again, the Australian dollar finds some bullishness as it runs into the third consecutive day and surges through the 71-cent handle as the bulls charge and extended the run, but facing resistance near 71.65. With a slight pullback coming into play here, let's see how the market moves into the European session. Domestic sentiment weakened while mixed China signals and upcoming employment and GDP data leaves near-term outlook dependent on the releases. Let's see if the market does break above 71.65, as this could put a different scope on the bullishness, maybe on to 73 cents. Overall, though, let's see if the market does reject here. So it is a little bit to the cautious side due to the divergence in the RSI, as in the rally not confirming from the RSI that is. And also the MACD isn't fully in terms of strength to see that surge on to that topside call. Overall, though, if we do see a failed move, then we could see a pullback towards the 70.5 cent range and reassess from there. Euro is a little bit steady after snapping a 7-day bull run. And with the resistance capping around 118.30.35, we could see a pullback towards the bottom side of the range of 117 and reassess. The market is still weighing on this neckline with the shoulder, head and shoulder. If we do see a break that is beneath the level of 158.50, then that could open the way with a measured move down to 156. Technicals are still buckled and weighing with the MACD, so I am still negative, but I would like to see that break off the neckline to support the measured move from the head to the neckline and the neckline to the bottom side of the target. Sterling, well, the market is still quite impressive since breaking above that 134 handle and still looking to the resistance around 135.5 to 95. But I feel the market's getting a little bit tired, overbought, so we may see some profit taking coming back in to 134.5. With commodities still holding to a neutral bias, gold surges but finding a bit of profit taking once again. I still find it a little bit difficult to try and get a little bit of an idea on what's happening with this pattern due to the fact is it's all running on fear. So I'd rather sit out for the moment and just see how it plays. And oil, well, the market plummeted all the way to a low of $84 a barrel but bounced again to 88. Technicals are heavy, so if you are trading, I still feel that this 3-day bearishness may continue, but again, it's weighing on the Middle East, and therefore I don't hold a view until we get a little bit more clear on how the pattern really in terms of a trend. That's about. Thank you for joining me. As always, look after the intraday, Paul. I hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.